Stay powered and drive smarter with a reliable mount that keeps your phone secure and charged on every journey. Best Car Phone Holder Charger delivers fast charging, strong grip, adjustable angles, and safer navigation while keeping your dashboard neat and organized. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. LISEN Car Phone Holder Charger. The LISEN Car Phone Holder Charger stands out with its premium 2025 design and reliable MagSafe wireless charging capability, making it a great choice for modern drivers who want convenience and stability. Built with the official Tora TC heatsink, this charger helps maintain stable performance even during long drives, reducing overheating risks while delivering consistent charging power. The mount supports up to 15W fast charging, ensuring your device remains powered during navigation, calls, and media use. Additionally, the smart battery protection system automatically slows charging after 75% to preserve battery health, which is ideal for long-term phone care. Another highlight is its strong adhesive base, designed for smooth surfaces, ensuring a firm hold without wobbling. The magnetic connection is secure and reliable, preventing phone drops during sudden braking or sharp turns. Overall, the LISEN Car Phone Holder Charger combines fast charging, strong stability, and smart safety features, making it an excellent upgrade for everyday driving convenience. Number 2. LISEN 15W Car Phone Holder Charger. The LISEN 15W Car Phone Holder Charger introduces a 2026 upgraded design focused on stronger stability and faster charging performance. Equipped with a powerful 68mm vacuum suction cup and 24 high-strength magnets, this mount ensures your phone stays securely in place even on rough roads or during sudden stops. With up to 15W wireless charging support, it can charge compatible devices to around 70% within an hour when paired with an 18W power source, providing reliable power during navigation or long trips. Designed for compatibility with iPhone 17 through 12 series, Pixel 10, and Samsung Galaxy S26, S25, and S24 series, this mount provides seamless magnetic alignment for instant attachment. The strong suction cup ensures secure installation on smooth dashboards or windshields. With its premium build quality, enhanced magnets, and flexible positioning, the LISEN 15W Car Phone Holder Charger is an excellent choice for drivers seeking durability and performance. Number 3. CHGeek Car Phone Holder Charger. The CHGeek Car Phone Holder Charger is a smart and affordable option that combines wireless charging convenience with intelligent safety features. This charger supports 15W Qi fast charging for compatible devices, including Samsung Galaxy, iPhone, and other Qi-enabled smartphones. With intelligent chip technology, the charger automatically adjusts power output for safe and efficient charging, helping protect your device during extended use. Another useful feature is foreign object detection with LED alert. If metal objects interfere with charging, the system stops charging and displays a warning light to prevent overheating or damage. The mount is also case-friendly, allowing charging through cases up to 6 mm thick, which adds convenience for users who prefer keeping their protective covers on. With 360-degree rotation and adjustable viewing angles, drivers can switch between portrait and landscape modes easily. Overall, the CHGeek Car Phone Holder Charger offers smart features, reliable performance, and flexible viewing options at a great value. Number 4. BothLin Car Phone Holder Charger. The BothLin Car Phone Holder Charger delivers reliable wireless charging and strong mounting performance for everyday driving. Supporting 15W Qi fast charging, this device works with a wide range of smartphones, including iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and other Qi-enabled devices. Multiple charging modes such as 15W, 10W, and 7.5W ensure compatibility with different devices while maintaining efficient power delivery. Flexible angle adjustment is another major advantage. The 360-degree rotating ball joint and telescoping arm allow drivers to adjust viewing angles for safe navigation. Whether using portrait mode for calls or landscape mode for GPS, the mount offers convenient customization. The 3-in-1 installation design allows mounting on dashboard, windshield, or air vents, making it suitable for different vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and trucks. Number 5. ANDERY Car Phone Holder Charger. The ANDERY Car Phone Holder Charger combines strong magnetic stability with advanced fast charging features, making it a premium choice for drivers. With up to 15-watt fast wireless charging, this mount delivers power faster than traditional chargers while maintaining consistent charging performance. The intelligent temperature control system helps prevent overheating, ensuring safer charging during long drives. Another highlight is the powerful magnetic strength. With 22 and 55 magnets, the mount provides a secure hold capable of supporting multiple phone weights. After thousands of vibration tests, the mount maintains strong performance even in extreme driving conditions. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.